with me, Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful dish all the way from Kerala. We're going to make this delicious Ulli Theeyal. This is made with shallots, coconut and tamarind, and the curry is just simply divine. So let's get started and check it out. For more authentic Kerala recipes, click on the link at the end of the video. For the Ulli Theeyal, the first step is to make the roasted coconut paste. For this, to the pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So for this recipe, I've taken 1.5 cups of freshly grated coconut. Add the fresh coconut to the pan. Along with this, add a few fresh curry leaves. And we're going to roast the coconut till it turns to a lovely rich brown color. This is a nice traditional Kerala dish. The flavors are so beautiful. That wonderful aroma of fresh coconut, the coconut oil and the curry leaves while roasting is just amazing. You can see the gradual color change. The coconut is getting roasted so beautifully. Look at that. So this roasting the coconut will roughly take about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want to leave the coconut in the pan and do other things because it can quickly get burnt. So you need to continuously roast it like this. So once you see that the coconut is turning to a lovely rich brown color, reduce the flame to a nice low. So you can see the coconut is roasted beautifully. It's got that beautiful lovely rich brown color. Turn off the stove and add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Chilli powder and 2 teaspoons of Coriander powder. Just gently mix it together. Transfer the roasted coconut mixture to a plate and cool it completely. I've added the cooled roasted coconut to the mixer jar. Add water as needed to get that nice smooth consistency. So the coconut mixture is ground to a nice fine masala paste. Remove from the mixer jar and keep it aside. What is your favorite curry in the Kerala cuisine that you'd like to enjoy with rice? Let me know in the comment section. To the kadai, add 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, add 4 green chilies cut up and 2 red chilies half. So next I'm adding 300 grams of shallots, that is the small onions. So you can cut them into half if they are small size, or if they are a bit larger you can cut them into 4. Saute the onions for about a minute. After a minute, add a few fresh curry leaves. Next I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just quickly mix that in. Next I'm adding a small bowl of diluted tamarind water. Now I've soaked a lemon size tamarind with about 1.5 cups of water. So I'm adding that now. Add the tamarind puree and just mix it. So this dish is a very simple dish with very minimal ingredients. Once the tamarind water comes to a boil, add the ground coconut paste. Just look at that beautiful curry, it's coming together so nicely. Now keep the flame on medium. Close the kadai and cook on medium-low flame for about 15 minutes. So there you go, you can see the oil is separated so beautifully and the color is so rich. This simply delicious Ulli Theeyal is ready. Turn off the stove. So our Ulli Theeyal is done. You can enjoy this nice and hot with some lovely steaming rice. This incredible Ulli Theeyal is such a wonderful dish made with simple ingredients. It's perfect for a nice meal, for lunch or for dinner. Make sure to serve it with some hot steaming rice and papad by the side. Well, I'm going to enjoy this plate of rice with that beautiful Ulli Theeyal mixed into it. Oh my god. I'm actually salivating right now. I can't wait. Pure bliss. Incredible flavors. Simple dish. So yummy. I'm very happy right now. So I don't want to talk much, just enjoy. That dish made me so hungry and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Just couldn't stop eating. So I loved it. Hope you guys enjoy it too. Give it a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our homecookingshow.in website.